Another busy day, Friday night, pulling up to Chris's shop where we have the boosted rooster in here. And I've been busy, I've been out racing, been at the track. I'll throw some clips, we'll talk. Ben's been putting in work on the boosted rooster. We're trying to get everything ready for the 20th. Ben, say what is up. And pow, we got the 5.3 in the car on its new BMR K-member. We got uppers, lowers, we got the brakes, the spindles, everything on. Ben's absolutely been knocking out. Ben, you've been doing, I'd say, I've been slack on this, haven't I?
No, you've just been working.
I've been working. I've been doing the other things. I've been doing a lot of filming and editing. I have some videos that need to get out to you guys. But this is a big video. This is a huge video. You guys don't even realize how big a video this is. So, let's date back. Let's go back a little bit. Now, if you remember the video I put out where I said, hey, I'm doing storm work. And I'm like, hey, I'm doing all this stuff, you know, it's a side gig. It just happened that we were shut down, the storm was local, and they needed me. And yeah, it was just really good opportunity. And I said to you guys, hey, if you guys are interested in doing any storm work, send me an email, and I'll link my email here. And if you guys are, it's light work. All you gotta do is have a 3/4 ton truck, preferably diesel, have a pintle hitch, and have proper attire and not be an idiot. And you can go out there and make a killing, you could have fun, and you could do it. Ben did it, I did it. And what I'm about to show you here is work hard, play hard. That's kind of what it is. And I want to go fast. I want to be the fastest out there. And this is what we got. So, how fast does that feel?
It's got a pretty good pulse.
Yeah, it's got a good pulse. You guys don't know what you're looking at yet. Everything's all taped up. But if you are like a real car guy, an engine guy, an LS guy, you'll know something's up with this being smooth right here. It's not supposed. We'll just revert back here. Stock block, stock casting 5.3. Not smooth. Has the number right there. That says 4853. This sucker right here is smooth. So life's all about opportunities. You got to jump on them. You find a deal, you got to take it. I was busy at work. Ben was free. Ben went on a drive. That right there says Dart. This is a Dart 427 cubic inches of just almighty fury with a Dragon Slayer crankshaft, Cali's Magnum, well, no, Cali's Ultra rods, and Wiseco pistons, and then it's got a set of trick flow heads worked over by Total Engine Airflow. The porting on these are ridiculous, and they're your favorite. They're Cathedral port. I'm a square port guy, you're a Cathedral port guy. I will say you are converting me over to the Cathedral port because I'll show you guys why. Now this is a bad motor. This is a, just look at the porting in there. I mean, would you just look at it?
Would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah.
This is absolutely badass. Here, we'll look at the exhaust side.
Would you look at this?
Piece of razor blade. Compare it to.
That porting is absolutely stupid. That's massive. So these heads have bigger valves. As you can see, everything looks like it's been CNC'd by Total Engine Airflow.
Here's the size.
And these are 245s.
Take mine. 245.
And it's got the upgraded BTR springs. These are stronger than a 660 spring. GM rocker arms with a BTR trunnion upgrade. And then the big thing that makes this block so good is you can see it's got this extra bolt here, and there's an extra bolt. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
Somewhere up here.
You know, it goes underneath. There's windows cut out when you take this valley off. It's a bolt that goes up through the bottom side and literally screws into the head.
I'm a rookie at the 6-bolt stuff. I'm a rookie at the 6-bolt stuff. Yes, this is a 6-bolt Dart LS Next block. Absolutely badass. I found this on turbobullet.com Facebook page. Turbo Bullet parts. I've got a lot of stuff off there. I'm pretty sure we got the boosted rooster off there, and now I got this engine off there.
Every piece on this thing is literally brand new.
100% brand new motor. This engine was built by Tick Performance, and then the guy had it and decided to get another car. This right here is an absolute badass piece. I could not tell you how excited I am. You guys know I'm building a race car. This is going to be the race car engine. Now this thing isn't too crazy. It doesn't have receiver grooves in the block. It doesn't have a wire. It doesn't have copper head gaskets, but it's a very good foundation. Like I said, it's got a good rotating assembly to work off of. 6-bolt design, really makes some power. I mean, this thing is gonna go. I think something like this, we can make 1300 wheel easy. Now, if we do want to get more aggressive, let's say we want to make 1500 wheel, we'll go to a solid roller, swap out the camshaft, go to solid roller design, do the receiver groove, do the wire in the head, do the copper head gaskets, and then just redo the top end pretty much. More compression is needed. But this is a really good, I think it's a nice setup for what it's going to be. This will be badass with a twin turbo kit.
Yeah.
And like I said, we're gonna name this engine, we're gonna name it tentatively, we're gonna name it Florence right now, because Hurricane Florence right there. If you guys are interested in working the storm, if you got a diesel truck and you like making some quick cash and working hard and you don't mind working some hours, send me an email below. Listen, it's not a full-time gig, it's not. If you're free and you're available, you can do it, it's great. For me, I just happened to be free and available and I did it. And I'm very happy I did, because I like to build race cars. Good God, I gotta shave. This has gone on too, Mom, I know you're watching this. I'm gonna shave tonight. I'll clean it up. I don't know, for a second there, it looks, we'll shave. I'm so excited. How fast am I gonna go on this thing? I can, if you put your ear up to it, you could hear. What's that? Oh, it wants to go 4s.
What's nice about it is it's a good start. Like, it's 6-bolt, but it's not O-ringed yet. Sized accordingly, cam in it, but it is hydraulic. You know, and it's not 14-to-1 yet. It's a good foundation. It's got good bones. So I mean, honestly, changing all that stuff is nothing but
no big deal at this point.
No big deal.
No big deal.
Tear it down and send the heads and the motor off and get it O-ringed and get a new set of pistons put in it while you're there. You know, and have them freshened up in a year, and then while they have the heads off, you know, we'll get it back.
And that's going like real, like that's going fast,
that's
fast.
Like 2,500, 3,000 horsepower.
But this, I said, like making 1,300 wheels shouldn't be an issue for an engine setup like this.
This thing will make 15. This thing will take 1,500.
In a light car that's got a bunch of chromoly parts, that's got a good cage and really planted with good suspension and a good setup, we can go fast.
You can go fast with 1,000.
Yeah.
Plenty fast.
Yeah, and this bitch is bad. So, but hey, thanks for picking this up today. I was, of course, like everything else I was doing, I was at work.
Salem, Virginia.
You gotta do the work. Shout out to John, the guy who built this, ended up getting another car, and then this thing came for sale. Never in my mind, I never dreamed or I just gotta take a second here. It's hit me in the heart. In other news, more parts. I know this is getting ridiculous. You're all like, dude, you're spending so much money. I'm actually going broke, but I'm having a blast doing it. You can't see anything. Let me bring this stuff inside and we'll open it up. So for those of you guys that are tired of me talking, I apologize, but this is a parts video. Obviously, new engine. This car is almost wrapped up. We're trying to get this ready for the call out. Whew. Spawn Performance. Suspension, chassis, drivetrain. They hooked me up. Smoking deal. Got a lot of stuff for the rear end suspension. I did not have any rear end parts. I still need a couple more, but they've already been ordered. Enough of me talking. Let's just open this up. I'll talk to you guys what it is. If you guys are building an F-body, hopefully this will be super helpful. Tell you what you need. And hopefully this will be the key to going fast, having some really good suspension parts to be able to put the power to the ground. Alright, so opening up box number 1, Spawn Performance. They absolutely hooked me up. I appreciate them taking care of me. Ordered everything through RPM Motorsports, so shout out to RPM Motorsports. F-body stuff, check them out, give Martin a call. Martin and Ryan, they both kind of helped me get the parts I need. They've been through the F-body stuff plenty of times before. What we got here, God, it's so light, dude. This is a chromoly panhard bar. What this does in the vehicle, that is light, isn't it?
Yeah, that's really light.
What this does in the vehicle, this keeps the rear end centered, so this allows it to stay centered in the vehicle. Instead of, if you didn't have this, the rear end could literally go like side to side underneath the vehicle. So you get this set up, this gets it where it locks it down, keeps it in one spot, and Everything in the car, like I said before, is chromoly, so lightweight, everything. That's gonna make it easy to go fast. Heavy box full of chromoly parts means you ordered a lot of shit. There's a number of different options that you can do to set everything up. This is a chromoly drive shaft loop with a torque arm mount. So this is set up to run a short torque arm. When you're putting the car together, you have an option to run a short or long style. Long style will be mounting up by the transmission. Short will be mounting further back to that. And really, preference depends on who's building the car, what they like. The guys at RPM, they like a short torque arm. So drive shaft loop is always important. Getting a drive shaft loop that has a torque arm mount on it, especially if you're looking on a short torque arm, this is the way to go. Again, Spawn Performance absolutely knocked it out of the park. On to the next one. Oh God. All right, this is the torque arm. This is what makes an F-body an F-body. Not a four-lane car, it is a torque arm style. As you can see, this part right here will be mounting up to my Strange Engineering S60 rear end, and then the other side will be mounting to the drive shaft loop torque arm mount. I'm gonna tear up right now. I might tear up. Why I chose to go with Spawn, one thing I like, on-car adjustable, and it has a Heim joint on this side. It's adjustable on this side. A lot of the other ones will only be adjustable on one side. That is a big ass bolt.
Piece of steel.
Am I allowed to cry yet? I've never thought in my life I'd buy these parts. Nor did my bank account.
There you go.
So this is the final piece of the puzzle, minus a anti-roll bar. This is a double adjustable lower control arm, and it is offset. As you can tell by this right here, having a little bit more meat on one side than the other. This will allow you to put it further away from the tire so you can run a little bit bigger offset, run a little bit more back spacing. But again, lightweight, chromoly, everything is the only way to go. Shout out to Spawn Performance. Am I out of parts already? I blew through all those parts, huh? Mm-hmm. Before I put all this stuff up, we're gonna get the engine out. We'll get everything set next to each other. The salty chicken is coming for that ass. Ben, is it safe to say that car is going to be the fastest car of any YouTuber?
Pretty much guaranteed.
Alright guys, so we're just wrapping up, cleaning up, got the boosted rooster in the air, got the block all taped up, gonna package this stuff up. This is going down to J&J Fab soon. All I need left is a anti-roll bar. What else? Anti-roll bar, I need AFCO shocks for the rear. Other than that, we are done. Gonna get that Strange S60 in the car. Gonna get everything right. I gotta get it on some wheels and tires and sitting on the ground, and then we have a legit roller. After that, all we need is a cage, which J&J Fab will be hooking me up with. Need to install the dash, put an ECU in there, get the engine, fuel system, transmission, drive shaft, and I think that's about it. That pretty much sums up a race car. Oh, gotta do optic armor for the glass. Gotta get rid of the glass. We're going lightweight, baby. Other than that, I do want to thank you guys for watching. Like always, comment, like, subscribe. Another badass engine coming to the family. I'm having way too much fun. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Other than that, we'll see you guys next time.